have the Borla S-Type Axleback exhaust for a 2016 Honda Accord Coupe, and it's a V6. You guys can see I have the exhaust right here. It comes in 2 pieces with a clamp. I got it off Amazon, a lot cheaper than on the Borla website. And I'm just gonna lead you guys through how to install it. 3 bolts right in there. It's an Axleback. Just pry those 3 bolts off. I think there's like 3 hangers. And then you should put this one on. Well, bam. I'm gonna show you how it sounds. Alright, so
It's so clean under this car.
there's 3 bolts right there, as you can see. I got my friend dude doing all the work for me. Thank you very much. So there's 3 bolts. There's 1 rubber hanger, and then there's 2 hangers, I think, right here, and right over there. I think somewhere is another hanger. Are the bolts coming off?
Yeah.
All right.
It's a rust-free car.
Nice. Very good. All right, I might want to use some WD-40 to put some lube on there.
Oh.
There's 2 more hangers. So we popped the rubber hanger off, but now we have to take it off the exhaust somehow. I don't know how. But on the new exhaust, we'll figure that out. All right, now we got 2 more right there. And then 1 more right here. Right there, somewhere, right there. I'll switch it back. Let's compare this exhaust and that exhaust.
Brand new exhaust, scratch-free.
This is the old exhaust. Whoever wants it, I can sell it to you. There's a new Borla exhaust. You see the difference between this muffler and that muffler. So this is the old exhaust, and there were rubber hangers right here, and right here. And we had to take them off with the exhaust and just pry them off and put them right here, and right there. Now we're gonna see how it sounds good. So we're putting on the new exhaust on. So the right side goes on first, as you can see, and tighten that on real quick.
I'm not gonna tighten it all the way because
Yeah,
first
yeah.
wanna mount the other side so it all lines up perfectly.
Alright guys, so we kind of messed up a little bit. See this gasket thing with jiggle right there? That was supposed to go on the new exhaust, but we kind of didn't realize it until it was too late. So we're taking off the new exhaust, putting the gasket on.
So inside this.
Yes. Inside
Oh, I see exactly how it goes. Okay, perfect. It's on.
Perfect. Perfect. No leaks. No leaking. Perfect. Perfection. The right side and the left side right over here, and see that clamp right there? So just tighten that down, and you are good to go. So let's start up, see how it sounds. Is it?